right. How you doing up there? We gotta turn back. I wanted to stop at that house. I should have probably mentioned that. Let's just stop up at this house. Here. Yeah, there's no way he fucking lives here. This grass is so damn thick, it's hard to put the kickstand down. I figured we could stop here at the very least, because this place is definitely beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. It's definitely fricked. Like, it's like almost like it was like a little clubhouse. They had a nice little chair. Probably hung a chandelier here. Mm-hmm. Oh, yo, they had a Sauron as well. Look at this. Yeah, dude, this was like, yo, what the fuck? That's actually kind of weird. Nice little swing set. Like the color. Looks like the front door and back door are open. Cool. Don't look too it don't look too bad with the lighting and stuff. Yeah, this place actually still looks, this honestly looks pretty nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, maybe
like,
that guy over there lives here.
Oh god, don't spook me like that. You know what I mean? Like a lot of trailers, when you go in them, they're kind of like completely just fucked. But this place is, well, besides that, this place is actually so nice. Like I could like I would not feel very gross if I slept on this bed. Well, actually there's like tiny little shit pellets, I think, but oh,
I feel a little gross if this is my hotel, I guess I was staying at, but
yeah.
But if this is my house, it's fine.
Lots of lighting. Floors fucked up. Yeah, of course. Now this is where they hung that chandelier. I was like, wow, look at that nice bike they have out there, and I was like, wait a minute. It's kind of like nice size too.
This is like that reminds me of Aaron and Amy's old house.
Yeah, a little bit with the coloring and everything. My mom and dad. Little hockey stick.
The toilet. No lights allowed to get in here. Ooh.
It's like these rooms had a nice size to them. What is this? Little toy? Oh, it's like a little boat trailer toy. All right, that's it.
I was gonna say, I guess that was really it, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, that's usually how trailers are. Still cool.
I was gonna say, like, it literally, I can't tell. It's like, it sort of looks recently abandoned, but also it doesn't at the same time.
It looks kind of like, it looks like shit, but it's kind of a little bit untouched or whatever. Yeah. Like how the floor feels under my feet. All right, let's leave.
Dude, I want to stay here. This is awesome. This is rad.
Yeah, I gotta rip up a bunch of grass with my kickstand.